In this video, we are going to learn about the introduction of time and distance. Time and distance is one of the most important topics in aptitude and everyone knows it, and also is the most important for all competitive exams. At least you can see this time and distance for 1 mark in all exams. And if you are preparing for SBI or CAT level exams, you can definitely get 3 to 5 marks in data interpretation. If you want to solve all the difficult questions, first you need to be strong on the basics. So be strong on the basics, not 99%. Be 100% strong on the basics. Then solve some of the easy level questions, then solve medium level questions, then after that solve difficulty level questions so that you can easily learn this topic time and distance. So initially, this time and distance topic can be classified as three types. First one is time and distance, problems and trains, and boats and streams. So questions based on car, cycle, or man running. So these are the questions comes under category one. So time and distance. Okay, and the second model, problems and trains. Able to see these questions like two trains crossing or train 1 and train 2. For example, so train 1 and train 2. So train 1 and train 2 proceed to each other, moving in the same direction or opposite direction. So train cross a platform are traveling to each other. It's completely based on trains. This type of questions come under category problems and trains. And the last is boats and streams. The problems like this, upstream problems and downstream problems. Okay, so boats and streams is completely different when compared to these two models. Time and distance, problems and trains. In these two topics, 90% in these two topics means time and distance and problems and trains. In these two topics, 90% concepts are same. 90% concepts are same. But when you are compared to boats and streams, all other topics is completely different. First, you need to learn the basic formulas and also you know the basic concept about speed, time, distance. You need to learn the basic formulas and also you know the basic concept about speed, distance and time. You want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second and meter per second to kilometer per hour. Let me see all the formulas and also some of the important concepts. So everyone knows these formulas: time, distance and speed. Okay, so for example, first check the time. 1 minute is equal to, for example, 1 minute is equal to how many seconds, guys? 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? So 60 seconds. Okay, so 1 minute into 60 is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so for example, 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes is equal to how many hours? Okay, 60 minutes is equal to how many hours, guys? So 60 minutes by 60 is equal to 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay, next, for example, 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to, how many seconds? 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? Okay, so 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, so 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Then is equal to, so 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. So for example, convert, so 4 hours 30 minutes. 4 hours 30 minutes. Okay, then how many hours? Okay, so 4 hours 30 minutes in convert in hours. So 4 hours 30 minutes converted into hours. Okay, how? So 4 hours. Okay, 4 into 60. First, hours converted into minutes. 4 hours. Okay, 4 into 60. 240 minutes plus 30 minutes is equal to 270 minutes. Okay, 270 minutes. So minutes converted into hours, then use by 60. Okay, so 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, then 6 ones are 6 fours are 6 fours are, and 4.5 hours, then 4.5 hours. Distance we are using, distance units are kilometers and meters. Okay, so distance units are kilometers and meters. Then coming to the speed, so speed units are, so kilometer per hour or meter per second. Units are, speed units are kilometer per hour or meter per second. Okay, for example, convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, for example, convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, so for example, 72 kilometer per hour to convert meter per second. Meter per second, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. Then 72 into, so 1000 by 1 kilo, so kilometer is converted into meters. Okay, so 1 kilometer is how many meters? 1000 meters by here hours and seconds. Okay, hours and seconds. So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. 0 0 cancel, again 0 0 cancel, then 2 fives are and 2 threes are, then is equal to 72 into 5 by 18, 3 into 6, 18. Okay, so 18 ones are 18 fours are, 18 ones are 18 fours are, 4 fives are 20 meter per second, 20 meter per second. Okay, so convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So directly we are using 5 by 18. Directly we are using 5 by 18. For example, convert 90 kilometer per hour to meter per second. Don't write every time, so 1000 by 60 into 60. Directly we are using 5 by 18. Then convert 90 kilometer per hour to meter per second. We are using 5 by 18. So 18 ones are 18 fives are 90. Then 5 fives are 25 meter per second. 25 meter per second. Don't write every time 1000 by 60 into 60. Okay, so conversion, convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we are using directly, so 5 by 18. And next one same, so convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, directly we are using 18 by 5, just reverse, 18 by 5. For example, 25 meter per second, convert kilometer per hour, convert kilometer per hour, then 25 into 18 by 5, then 5 ones are 5 fives are 25, 18 fives are 90 kilometer per hour, 90 kilometer per hour. Okay, so don't write 60 into 60 by 1000, directly we are using, so 18 by 5. This is the conversions, guys. Kilometer per hour to meter per second, we are using 5 by 18. Next, meter per second to kilometer per hour conversion, we are using 18 by 5. Okay, next. So listen, guys, in this topic, units are very, very important, guys. What are the units of time? What are the units of time? Hours, minutes, and seconds. Next, what are the units of distance? So kilometers and meters. What are the units of speed? Kilometer per hour or meter per second. Meter per second. Okay, so this is the magic triangle, guys. So distance, speed into time. Distance, speed into time. For example, I want to time formula, just close them the time and remaining is distance by speed. What is the formula? So distance by speed. Okay, so what is the formula of time? Distance by speed. For example, I want to distance formula, just close them the distance and remaining is speed into time. Remaining is speed into time. Okay, so for example, I want to speed formula, just close them the speed and remaining is, so distance by time. So distance by time. Okay, what is the formula of time? Distance by speed. What is the formula of distance? Speed into time. What is the formula of speed? Distance by time. Okay, these three basic formulas are very important, guys. Okay, these three basic formulas are very important, guys. Next formula, average speed. For example, for example, house and school. A boy going to school with speed of x kilometer per hour. A boy going to school with speed of x kilometer per hour and come back to home with speed of y kilometer per hour and come back to home with speed of y kilometer per hour. Then find the average speed. Then find the average speed. Boy going to school and come back to home. The distance is same. The distance is same or equal. The distance is same or equal. So the average speed is 2 into product by sum. 2 into x into y by x plus y. Okay, so what is the formula? Equal distance 2 into product by sum. 2 into x into y by x plus y. Okay, for example, the question like this: a bus started P stage to Q stage with speed of 60 km per hour and Q2P with speed of 40 km per hour. Find the average speed. Find the average speed. So listen, guys. For example, so P stage and Q stage. P stage and Q stage. A bus started. For example, a bus started P stage to Q stage with speed of 60 km per hour. With speed of 60 km per hour and come back Q stage to P stage. Q to P with speed of 40 kilometer per hour with speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Then find the average speed. Then find the average speed. So once check the distance, P stage to Q stage, Q stage to P stage. So the distance is same. Okay, the distance is same or equal. Then the average speed is 2 into, so product by sum, 2 into x into y by x plus y. Okay, so then 2 into 60 into 40, two speeds, 60 kilometer per hour and 40 kilometer per hour by x plus y. Okay, so sorry, x plus y. So 60 plus 40, 100. Okay, so then 0 0 cancel, again 0 0 cancel. So 2 into 6, 12. So 12 fours are 48. So kilometer per hour. Okay, so what is the average speed, guys? 48 kilometer per hour. Okay, so find out the average speed. Once check the distance. The distance is same, then the average speed is 2 into product by sum. The average speed is 2 into product by sum. For example, the distance is different. The distance is different. For example, the total distance is 600 kilometers. The total distance is 600 kilometers. So a person moving A stage to B stage. For example, a person moving A stage to B stage. He moving first half 400 kilometers. He moving first half 400 kilometers with speed of 80 kilometer per hour. With speed of 80 kilometer per hour and remaining distance with speed of 40 kilometer per hour and remaining distance with speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Then find the average speed. Okay, the total distance is how much? 600 kilometers. He moving first off is how much? 400 kilometers with speed of 80 kilometer per hour and remaining distance is how much? 200. Remaining distance is how much? 200 with speed of 40 kilometer per hour. So the distance is same or different? 400 kilometers first off and second off is 200 kilometers. So different distance is given. Then the average speed is total distance by total time taken. Okay, so what is the formula, guys? Total distance by total time taken. Total distance is how much? 600 kilometers. Total distance is how much? 600 kilometers. And total time is given? No. Okay, so find out the time. What is the formula of time? Distance by speed. What is the formula of time? Distance by speed. Okay, so first distance. Okay, first distance is how much? 400 kilometers. First distance is how much, guys? 400 kilometers with speed of 80 kilometer per hour. 0 0 cancel. 8 ones are 8 fives are 40. So 5 hours. Okay, this 400 kilometers, it takes how much time, guys? So 5 hours. Okay, next remaining distance is how much? 200 kilometers with speed of 40 kilometer per hour. With speed of 40 kilometer per hour. 0 0 cancel, then 4 ones are 4 fives are. Okay, so remaining 200 kilometers also takes how much time? 5 hours. Okay, then total time is how much? 10 hours. The total time is how much, guys? 10 hours. And substitute here 10 hours. Okay, then cancel. 0 0 cancel, then is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, so the distance is different, then the average speed is total distance by total time taken. The distance is same, then the average speed is 2 into product by sum. 2 into product by sum. Just remember, guys, the distance is same, then the average speed is 2 into product by sum. The distance is different, then the average speed is total distance by total time taken.